Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool right here, and pretty much what this is the air freshener. If you can see for the one that we got right here, it's a brand called Febreeze. And if you guys remember in the past, I reviewed another product from this brand before that's very similar to what you guys get right here. The way how they designed this one is slightly different because there's a lot more different scent, and I believe they do have like a different design based on what I do see right here. It might be the same one that I showed before, but we do have two different scents on here. So one of them is a Linen Sky, and the other one is Ocean Scent. And I love how for the packaging, when you guys purchase it from this brand, they usually have like the scratch option right here for you guys to scratch it to smell what it actually smells like first before you guys do purchase it. And I actually smelled both of them beforehand before I actually purchased it, and I actually like the scent a lot. For this one, I already knew that I liked the scent because I actually had one of these before. But for the Ocean Scent, I never smelled it before, and it's actually very unique and very different. And obviously for the one that we got right here, you can see we do have the 6-pack option. If you guys are interested in this one, you do have the option to purchase it either 1-pack or 2-pack separately in online when you guys do purchase it. And they probably even have these in store available as well. But the one that we have right here is a 6-pack. So I'm actually open one of them and show you guys how it does work. So once you guys take it out, that's what the product looks like. So the way how this product works is very similar to the one that I showed you before. The front part right here, we do have the option for you to press it if you guys want to enhance the smell. The back part right here, we do have the button for the press, and that will activate the product because it'll punch like a hole in the back or something. And pretty much where the scent will come out is probably from the bottom. You can see how it does have the opening in the bottom right here. But once you guys punch the hole in the back right here to push the button, all you need to do is just put this down on the table wherever you guys want to use it and just let it do its own thing. It will help you guys freshen up the room. So whether if you guys want to leave this in your living room, your bedroom, your bathroom, or anywhere else, pretty much anywhere where you guys want to have like a stronger scent, you guys can definitely leave one of these there. And like I mentioned, regardless if you guys get the other scent, whether it's like the Ocean Scent, this scent, or any other scent that they do have, all of them work the same way, it's just different scent. And I actually use a lot of different air fresheners in the past. I do like this one a lot. It's very easy for you to use it, and there's nothing for it to hang. You just have to put this anywhere and just let it do its own thing. Usually for the scent that's on here, it usually lasts around like maybe like 2 weeks to 3 weeks, maybe even less than that, depending on like how often you guys do use it and how often you guys keep pressing it to keep enhancing the smell. So usually for me, I change it every like 3 weeks or so to actually keep the scent smelling fresh when I do leave it at my restroom. So they all don't work the same way. Let me just press on one of them to show you guys what it looks like if you guys were to press it. So you see how much liquid is on here before you guys do press it. But once you guys do press in the back, that pretty much like punch a hole in the back. And you can see in the front right here, you can definitely start seeing some of the liquid being absorbed. And that is how I know it starts working a little bit. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to enhance the scent, just press the front part. And that should help you guys enhance the smell much faster going through the bottom part right here. And also I believe on the side right here, they do have the opening for the scent to come out as well, which is really cool. And even if you guys want to enhance the smell in the back, feel free to press in the back. And that will help a little bit as well. So if I do smell it now, I can definitely smell a little bit, but not a lot yet. It'll probably take some time to kind of like fully immerse the room with the smell. But once you guys do set it up, you guys can put this anywhere and start using it. So very easy and very simple for you to use it, you can see. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality air freshener to use at your home, whether if you guys want to use it in your office, your restroom, your bedroom, or anywhere else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.